Hey everybody! I'm here today with a very simple Samsung TV remote control battery change tutorial. These will be easy instructions and I'll be showing you exactly how to change the batteries on your Samsung TV remote control. As you can see right here, I have a Samsung TV remote control and changing the batteries is actually very, very simple. All that you have to do is you have to turn it around and access the back of the remote control. You can then take the cover, and in most cases you're going to be able to slide it. Sometimes there might be a little lever that you're going to have to sort of move in order to open up the battery compartment, but most of the time in most modern remotes you just have to slide it. So I'm sliding it down just like that. You got to give it a little bit of force, and then I can remove the battery cover. Now with the battery cover removed, you can see I have access to the two batteries. All that you have to do to remove the batteries is, you see that little springy part right there? You're going to take your finger, you're going to push against the springy part. So I'm using my nail and I'm going to push down against the springy part over there, just like that. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to push down against the springy part, and then I can pivot the battery out. Same thing with the other battery. Down against the springy part, and then pivot the battery out, just like that. Once you've removed the batteries, you can then take your new batteries and you can put them in there and you will have replaced the batteries. I'm going to use the same ones because these ones are totally fine. This is just for the purposes of this demonstration or tutorial. But yeah, you're going to take your new batteries and you're going to do the opposite. So you're going to push them down against the spring and pivot them in place. Push them down against the spring, pivot them in place. And that's basically, once you've done that, you can put your battery cover back on. Just like that, by sliding it in place, and you have now replaced the batteries in your Samsung TV remote control. And that's it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, and I truly hope that you've enjoyed it and found it educational as well as entertaining at the same time. And that is truly it. I've got nothing else to say for this video tutorial, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.